Yeah, Zach here, Strength Health with Experience. Talk a little bit about compensatory acceleration training. Now, this was created by Dr. Fred Hatfield. Brilliant man. He's the first man to squat 1,000 pounds. But anyway, let's get down to it. Compensatory acceleration training is designed to burst out your peak force output. So this is acceleration. So it's times mass equals acceleration. The faster you move a weight, the more power you produce. And it has this comeback effect, a rebound effect called elastic strength. Basically, we're going to do something, say the bench press or the squat. You're going to get a weight that's 60% of your 1 rep max. So you're going to take this, for example the bench press, you're going to rack it, you're going to lower it down under control but not slowly like a normal negative. When you get down to that initial stage where your sternum is, you're going to rep it up as fast as you can with all the power and speed you can muster. Then you're going to do the same, lower it, come back up as fast as you can and lower it controlled but not slowly again. Finally, you're going to do a third rep, same situation, you're going to lower it under control and then just rep it up as fast as you can. And this is going to create acceleration strength based for fast lifts in power sports such as powerlifting, where you need to drive the weight up as fast as you can. Get help with the inertia, because when the inertia comes you want to be able to accelerate past that stage where you're going to be grinding. And this has a number of effects. It's going to bring into fast twitch muscle fibers. So these are the big muscle fibers that integrate all together to create when you lift big weights. Also, your intermuscular coordination, so your muscles are going to get better at actually doing this task. The downside is it can be bad for your joints. Also, it will not increase your 1 rep max strength. This is your grinding strength, because the moment your body realizes that it can't lift the weight fast, it panics, and it's constant tension anyways with your 1 rep max, so you won't be able to drive it up fast. But that doesn't mean when you go to your 1 rep max that you lift it slowly. You still apply as much force and speed as you can, but it just won't go up as fast. Now, I've told you all I know about compensatory acceleration training. All you can do is try it. So I would suggest you do 10 sets of 3 with 60% of your 1 rep maximum on squat bench presses and see how it goes. If you like the results, just contact me and tell me how you did. Till next time, with that, Strength Health with Experience. I'll see you later.